Guys, na-approve na akong bone marrow biopsy. So, I'll do it on May 2 sa Abu Dhabi. Thank you to Dr. Muhammad Alaw for getting all my procedures approved. It's a really big help. Okay? It should have cost me thousands. But I only paid a fraction of the amount because my insurance covered. So, without further ado, I'm now scared and nervous. I will cry. Actually, di kan ako nag-cry. Manana akong hilak. Tomorrow to. Good morning! It's May 1 and I have an abrupt impromptu appointment with the doctor. No one will come with me. I will be alone, which is why I'm procrastinating so much. I need to have breakfast and take a bath, but somehow I can't make my body move. I am too anxious and di man afraid. Wala lang. I just don't know what to expect, and I'll be driving alone. I just want to avoid it all and just sleep it off. All is well. Need to start my day no matter what. That's adulting, guys. Kapoy na kayo mag-adulting. Pwede mo balik o pagkabata. Pwede mo balik o high school. Mamata lang ko magpamahaw, mag-study, tapos na pa ko'y arts program. Honestly, I feel so fulfilled sa high school. No social life, even though my parents were strict, I still had time to go out with my friends. I even got to practice art, kaya I had painting classes after school. It's hard out there, guys. Let's go. Managed to get myself ready. So, 10:19 na, and I need to be there by 11:30, so I have plenty of time. I just want to get it over with and finish the consultation. Wala ako naka-video sa akong visit dito. Kay I had a video call with my family while I was waiting for my turn at the doctor. Tapos, I wanted to go home right away kay we be saving in this household. So, I didn't eat out. I'm planning to eat here at home with the food I'm cooking. So, it's already 2 o'clock and then joke time. Wala di ay. The doctor didn't need to see me today. There was some miscommunication with the call center agents maybe. But still, it was fine because I got to ask the doctor about my hesitations and doubts for the procedure tomorrow. So, medyo napanatag akong loob na it will be a local anesthesia. Because if it's a local anesthesia, that means I can drive home. No need to waste money on hotel for an overnight stay. I can focus on recovering in my home comfortably after the procedure. So, thanks. Bye-bye. Guys, we're going to Abu Dhabi to have my bone marrow biopsy. So, my appointment is at 11:30. It's 10:45. So, hopefully, ma-arrive me on time. So, let's hope for a safe journey and a successful procedure. I'm with Liza today. So, at least karon I have a kauban with me. So, see you sa Abu Dhabi, guys. Airport na tayo. Abot na may og ang nada. Mag-procedure na ko, guys. I can do this. I can do this. I'm doing this! Actually, late na mi, guys. Alas 12 na, 11:30 akong gibook. Pero sige lang, it's fine. Welcome back to me. Ay, nagulat na ko, guys. And I am nervousness. I'm nervousness. Bella, why are you crying?
Why are we crying? It's okay.
I know. Vampire, right? Vampire will fit to me. Muna ko na feel. Okay ang tanan na.
All is well.
All is well. Late pa joke ko. Pero sige lang.
Ko diri para dili magbantay kundi mag-document daw para siyang vlog. Okay, bye.
So guys, wala pa ako na buhatan sa procedure. So naami karon sa ilahang cafe. The cafe here is called Duroy. So mag-lunch sa amin and then mobalik ni dito for the procedure kay gutom na mi. Our food came. So burrata pizza, lasagna, chicken, and ice Spanish latte, guys. Bon appetit.
How are you feeling today?
May pagwala ko nagkaunog daghan, guys. Kasakaon ko. Namugod dara ang kit. Sige, kuglili na ba eh. Kuan dara, knife.
Grabe po naman.
Mga sharp items.
Dili po
Siya bandage. Ano na bandage?
Food.
Daghan ko ayo ang kit.
What happened, Bea?
Why are you crying? Vampire, right? Vampire will fit to me.
Sakit? Sakit kayo? Wala pa. Naman, anesthesia. Pero, was it? Sakit? Ayo? Ganino. Nanaulas. Wala pa yung 3:30 ka. Pwede na kumula.
Guys, mana na ang procedure. So, manguli na mi kay mahal kayo mag-stay the night diri. And then, bahala na si Batman. Kay need na ako mag-meet og ENT doctor. So, basin pwede ra sa Dubai. Okay. Haguor kayo magsigig tabok og Abu Dhabi. Mag-wait kog 7 to 10 days for my biopsy results. Pero hawoy akong likod, guys. Hi guys. Good morning. Ay, good afternoon na. Basta good day to you all. So, namalik na mig Khalifa City, our temporary healing place. Kay mag-meet mig ENT today. So, let's see what he has to say. I just finished meeting the ENT doctor. I'm happy nga ingon na siya surgery, pero dili ko happy kay surgery siya. So scared sad ko sa part na operahan na ko here. Pero ingon si doc, kailangan ma-remove ning whole thing here. He even drew me a diagram to show. So guys, this is the affected part of my gums. So this has to be removed fully. So that will make the side of my cheeks exposed. So it will expose the tooth part and the jawbone. So doctor mentioned it's either he'll take some fat part here and itapal niya or like i-cover the space na mahitabo if tanggalon ang katong affected part, or he will leave it as is and make the body do its natural healing process, which will take 3 to 4 weeks. So it will affect my eating. I will be on soft diet for a few weeks, and then it will have some sensitivity. Kaya syempre exposed siya. But they're taking approval for the procedure and I trust them enough. Anyway, the doctor referred my case, the oncology doctor referred my case to him, so he must be good. And hopefully, mawala na dyan niya totally. But I'm happy na it's not something that's grave or serious. Kaya doctor reassured me na based on what he saw, it's not something to be worried about. So, mara to guys.